Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Natalie from a channel Home Gardening. Today I want to share with you guys my experience on how I managed to grow really huge amount of sweet and adorable strawberries. Well, yeah, actually I love strawberries. I add them almost everywhere in my meals, to oats, to chia puddings, also add them to my homemade yogurts, and even I freeze strawberries. Why I freeze them? Because also I can add them to tea in winter time. Yeah, when I'm drinking tea in the winter, I like to add some strawberries to my tea, and that flavor, that taste resembles me these hot sunny summer days. So yeah, actually, if you are interested how I managed to grow a huge amount of strawberries, keep watching. So here I have only two berries from my strawberry bush, and believe me, this is more than enough, because as you can see, this one berry has huge amount of seeds. Actually, the whole this berry consists huge amount of seeds, and this is like the whole seed plant. So what I'm gonna do, I've already prepared a pot filled up with potting mix. Also I add some perlite. So I just will take a berry, a sharp knife, and just cut it. Like this. This is how it looks inside. And here you can see this huge amount of seeds that we have only from a small part of this berry. These all are seeds. So I just take a pot, make a hole, not deep hole, and place the part of my strawberry in it, in the hole, and cover with soil. Actually, this is it. Actually, this process is very simple, but also what I want to say is that the hardest part of growing strawberries from seed is getting the seeds to germinate in the first place. Most strawberry seeds require cold stratification to germinate, and they won't break dormancy until they've gone through winter-like conditions. This is a bit of an insurance policy for the strawberry seeds, because there is no point in sprouting in the fall right before a snowstorm. You can mimic winter by simply placing the seeds in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 weeks, which signals to the strawberries that winter is past. To stratify strawberry seeds, place the seed packet into a Ziploc plastic bag or tight sealing jar. Place that in the sealed container with the seed packet into the refrigerator and leave it in there for about a month. And after about a month in the refrigerator, take the whole sealed container out of the refrigerator, but do not open it. Allow it to come to room temperature while still sealed, which will prevent condensation from gathering on the cold seeds. After about a day on the counter, the seeds will have warmed and they will be ready for the planting. Some strawberry seeds do not require cold certification, but it's hard to know which type of seeds you have. They may well germinate without this process, but even if they don't require it, it won't hurt them. Better safe than sorry. Also, because strawberries are perennials, the plants will come back each year, so taking the time to give them a good start will absolutely be worth it in the long run. Barefoot strawberries can be planted anytime, but when you start strawberries from seed, you will want to keep them indoors in the early spring to help them along until the last frost has passed. Simply press the seed into a moist potting medium in seed starter trays or in a simple potting pot and allow several weeks for germination. Strawberry plants can go almost anywhere, from indoor potted plants to outdoor patches and interplanted areas that need ground cover. Strawberries aren't picky. They also don't grow very deep roots, so if you can find a spot for a container of any sort or designed a section for the garden, you probably can put strawberries there. So here are my bushes of strawberries. Some of them flowering at this moment. Also there are a lot of fruits. Here, small tiny one. Also here, everywhere. The purpose of this video is to inspire gardeners of every type to gain an appreciation for the strawberry plant and its fruit. As a fondness for the sweet strawberry grows, I hope that many gardeners will decide to grow strawberry plants from strawberry seeds. Growing strawberries from a seed is a great way to establish plants without spending a lot of money. I actually grow a lot of strawberries, you see, both for jam and fresh eating. I love adding strawberries almost everywhere in my meals. This year I planted strawberries almost everywhere in my garden, as you can see, and true to say, I have a good harvest of this year. So if you are interested how I managed to grow so many bushes of strawberries, please keep watching. This is how my seedling looks after few months. As you can see, it grows rather big, looks pretty nice, pretty healthy. And today I want to answer a question about strawberries. Do strawberries come true to seed? When something comes true to seed, it means that the new plants will have the same characteristics as the parent plants. Apples, for example, don't come true to seed, and when you plant apple seeds, you never know what you are going to eat. Cherries and stone fruits, on the other hand, come mostly true to seed, and the offspring will be very close to their parents. Strawberries do come true to seed, and strawberry seedlings will be very similar to the parent plants, with a few exceptions. Generally, strawberry flowers are self-pollinating, and unless you have many different varieties growing in a small patch, the seed will come true to the parents. This is how my seedlings looks after a few more months. Well, actually it's ready for planting outdoors in the garden. It can be planted in the garden at this stage. It's better to start strawberry seeds indoors about 10 to 12 weeks before the last spring frost in your area. Be patient, keep them in a warm sunny space, and ensure the soil stays just barely moist without being soggy. Once the young strawberry seedlings are 2 to 3 feet tall and the last spring frosts have passed, it's time to think about planting them in the garden. So actually at this stage I can plant my strawberry seedlings in my garden. And this is the final result. I leave one strawberry bush in the pot just to show you that it can be grown in a pot and it can produce flowers and even berries. Also, I wanted to show you that it's possible to grow strawberry from just a seed, or actually from just a fruit, a berry, and have your strawberry bush that's flowering, that produces small berries without spending extra money on it. And now I want to tell you a few words about when can your strawberry bush berry fruits. Well, depending on the length of your growing season, strawberries grown from seed may actually fruit in the fall of the first year. In short season climate, you'll have to wait until the spring. Either way, keep the strawberry plants well fertilized, as they're heavy feeders, and mulch with straw to keep the beds weed-free. The parent plants will be productive for about 4 years before petering out, and during that time they will be producing runners and young clone plants. After 3 or even 4 years, it's time to thin the bed by transplanting strawberry runners to new locations and removing the unproductive parent plant. With this care, the strawberry plant will be self-perpetuating indefinitely, and you won't need to start strawberries from seed again, unless you want to try a new variety. So guys, as you can see, this is the final result. I managed to grow strawberry bush in a pot from a seed. I wanted to say from a single seed, but no. You saw there were many seeds in that small tiny berry. So this is the final result. Well, yeah, I hope you found this video informative and useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.